Hey, this is Pastor Bryson G. Baylor, lead pastor of the Kingdom Center International, where we are redefining life. I'm sorry, I'm not for rent, but I just got a question for you. You ever feel sometimes that your life was for rent, or your destiny, or your future was for rent? How about your emotions or relationships? Do you ever feel like sometimes you just don't really quite have a hold on what's going on in your life, that it's just up for grabs, and you may have some kind of landlord that's always demanding, always wants something from you, and you just don't get enough of what you deserve? Well, if you feel like that, listen, you got to come on the 10th of January to our church at 1510 Britton Road. That's Saturday, January 10th at 6 p.m. because I'm starting a brand new series called Unperfect. This is for everybody who wonders what God thinks about them, what to do with relationships, or what to do with people who have perceptions about you that you just don't feel alright. Listen, this series is going to literally change your life and change your perspective about how you see yourself and how you see how God sees you. You're not for rent. Your life is not for rent. Actually, God has a plan and a purpose for you, and He actually thinks more of you than you probably think of yourself. Alright, I know most of us think that sometimes God just wants to send you to hell, and that He's waiting to send you to hell, but I got good news for you. The Bible tells us this, that His loving kindness is forever, that God's love for you is forever. He wants to love you. He wants to hook you up. He wants to bless you beyond your wildest dreams. He wants you to own your destiny. He wants you to own your future. He wants you to own your relationships that you're in. He wants you to own your money. He wants you to own everything. So you got to come check us out on the 10th of January at 6 o'clock p.m. at 1510 Britton Road at the Burning Bush Church. It's going down. This is something that you have to see. You have to be there. Unperfect series at the Kingdom Center. Remember, it's only at the Kingdom Center, all right? You can come, bring your friends, bring everybody you know, dress down. We're a real casual church. I love people. Hopefully you'll sense that, and you'll just be able to have a good time, all right? Hope to see you there. Take the sign down. God is doing something new for your life in 2009. You're no longer for rent. You'll be owning you. Take care. See you on the 10th. 6 p.m. Don't forget. Bring friends. Love you. Bye.